So la ngizoshaya i-keep or sell kuma-players we-Kaizer Chiefs. Uma usubheka isquad se-Kaizer Chiefs right now kunabadlali abangadeserve ukuba khona kwi-squad right now. So ngiqale ko-goalkeeper. I-Kaizer Chiefs ino-goalkeeper abayi-5. uBrandon Peterson, uNtwari, uKhune, uMolefe beno-Bruce Mvuma. Yabo. I don't think uKhune usawumdlali we-Kaizer Chiefs. Usathanda kuphosta nje kwi-construction thizeni. So ku-Brandon Peterson, I feel like I would sell Brandon Peterson and keep uNtwari, keep uSiphosethu Molefe. I feel like usaphuma kwi-DDC umfana. Usanethalenta angimele alikhombise lapha and ngingamgcina futhi uBruce Mvuma. Because uBvuma ujwayele ukubiza kwi-squad seBafana Bafana, so ungarelya kwi-talent enjengaye ashintshisane benoNtwari. Kuthi ma-defenders, I would keep uBongani Sempe because I haven't seen uBongani Sempe edlala for i-Kaizer Chiefs. I would sell uDove. Reason being is because uDove ulomdlali lo ojwayele ukuba kwi-injury. Masebuya kwi-injury akadlali kahle for i-Kaizer Chiefs, yabo. And I will sell uZitha Kwinika. Abaningi mhlawumbe angaphikisa nami, but uZitha Kwinika akusilona idefender walithemba kakhulu. I will keep uDudley, I will keep uSolomon, I will keep uHappy Mashiane, I will keep uMokwena. Angimazi kakhulu uMokwena, I feel like naye usaswa kuyingane lapha. I think I would sell uDihlohwe. Angimthembi kakhulu uDihlohwe, akulona leli defender leli, yabo, elimkantshibovu. I will keep uMsimango, I will keep uRefrosler, I would keep uMakati, Cross naye ngamgcina, noMiguel naye ngamgcina. Kuthi ma-midfielders wami, I will sell uMdantsane, I will keep uMthethwa, I will keep uNjabulo Blom, I will keep uYusuf Mart. I feel like abantu abaningi bafuna uYusuf Mart edayisiwe, but uMart udinga i-mandate, yabo, bamnikeza i-mandate indlela yokudlala, yabo. I feel like kwi-Kaizer Chiefs abamnikeza i-mandate, kumele bamtshele ukuthi angahambi kakhulu, kumele ahlale lapha angasuki. I would keep uGustin Sirino. uPotsane, I have mixed reactions with uPotsane. I haven't seen much of him, but mhlawumbe ningangilwisa, but I would sell uPotsane, yabo. Yize ngingakaze ngibone much of him, yabo. Mengenile akanginikezi leyo nto leyo, but I would sell him. He's a good player though, ngangizwa kabi. I would keep uNkosi Ngiphile Ngcobo. I would keep uPule Modi. I don't know why ucoach engamfaki kakhulu, mhlawumbe une-injury, yabo, uPule Modi. I would keep uCastillo. Castillo is a good player. uMotlo angike ngaze ngoMotlo naye futhi angikaze ngimbone edlala kakhulu, but I think I would keep him. I would keep futhi uVilakazi. That's a star player right there. I would keep uDuba. I would keep uZwane bafethu. uZwane star. Inkinga uZwane mfethu, kumele bamtshele mfethu kunezinto ongamelanga uzenze egroundini, yabo. Because uVilakazi, I feel like uVilakazi bamtshela last season ukuthi cha, Vilakazi kunezinto kumele uzenze egroundini kunezinto ongamele uzenze. uVilakazi useyashisa manje because they reprimanded him ukuthi 1 and 2 awukwenzi, 1 and 2 uyakwenza. I would keep futhi uShabalala. Mase kuza kuma-forwards, uRanga Chevaviro ngamdayisa. Ashley Dupree angasala, yabo. Angimazi lo ubani uyi-center back, ufunani phambili. Hey bo, madoda. But ngibona abadlali labo mina engingabakhipha and engingabasela, yabo. uBrandon Peterson, kube uDove benoKwinika, kube uMdantsane, kube uRanga Chivaviri. Ibona abadlali engingabadayisa laba, yabo. I would sell, yabo. Ibaphi abadlali wena ongabagcina kwi-Kaizer Chiefs, the players that you would keep and the players that you would sell, yabo. Because isquad siningi kakhulu and sigcwele abadlali abanganikezi lutho ischeme.